One night a wife draws her husband's attention to the couple next door. She says, "Look at that. Every time they meet, they kiss. Why don't you do that?" He looks at her, he says, "I'd love to. I just don't know her that well." You're welcome.
Gonna start St. Patrick's Day off by making some green French toast. Well, that looks delicious. Or not.
Today is St. Patrick's Day, so that's why we're all wearing green. See, I'm wearing green socks, green shirt, and I have green undies on too. I don't have any green pants, but I'm just gonna wear this green stuff for today.
Good. That's what a lot of the people who cry about gun laws don't understand. Is that the gun laws helps you protect yourself from a tyrannical government. And that the government, if the government turns on the people, I mean, you're in serious trouble.
Are you good? Is it close enough to you?
Yeah. Finally, pass that fan. Red end. Is the center there good?
Yeah, I added my arm.
You added my arm?
Yeah, I added some of your arm.
Oh, nice.
Hand onto the wood.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's nowhere near you.
Now you're gonna squish it onto the roof. Now you're squishing it even more onto the roof.
Why?
What?
You climb through my body? Let me go under. I can get my butt under. Oh my goodness. You wacko.
Dumbo can fly, couldn't he?
Yeah.
And now I think I can fly.
With his ears.
Let's show him, Dumbo! How it died!
Because you have such big and bigger ears.
There you gotta do a little rigging on this one. I don't know.
3 pounds.
Wow! You gained another pound. You're getting big. Big, bigger.
Okay. There goes my head.
I'm surprised somebody hasn't come up with a spoof. My Corona.
I know, I sing that all the time.
What?
I should, because I sing it in my head all the time.
Ooh, my little Wuhan one, viral one, coming thick and just my lungs. I Corona.
My Corona?
Yeah?
I don't know. I don't know how distasteful it would be to some people, but
Oh, right. Probably very.
to some.
Yeah.
Definitely those with that sense of humor.
You screw it in.
Snake my butt?
Yeah. What? Spank your butt.
What movie was that from when he was like, I want the whole damn thing? They're gonna fight? Oh, it might have been from Happy Gilmore. When Bob Barker
Yeah.
was fighting Happy on the golf course.
Yeah.
I don't want a little bit or something. I want the whole damn thing. He was like, yeah, because I think Happy said, you want a piece of me, old man?
Oh yeah.
You want a piece of me? I don't want a piece of you. I want the whole thing. Oh!
Bob Barker's still alive.
Another one of those. I don't know. Are you good?
Because he was old then.
Are you-
And that was like 1994, that movie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I'm
think
good.
he is.
I think he is too.
Oh no! What's wrong? My battery's dead.
Alright, sorry. Dead.
No! Everything's dead. Did you put the other one on the charger?
No.
Oh, you imbecile.
Well, it's afraid it was 2 seconds ago.
Could have charged it a little
2
bit.
seconds ago, bud! Guess you're gonna have to stay there.
Yeah. Get it charging now. Pronto.
Kiss my ass. Kiss my ass, Seabass!
It was a terrible mistake, sir. Please, oh, believe me, I would never do anything to offend a man of your size.
Kick his Seabass!
Pass me a friggin' little nail or something to hammer in here. Plug that in first, though. Boys, oh boy.
You should plug 2 in.
Well, yeah.
Well, yeah.
I don't know if the other one will charge.
What's that?
I don't know if the one will charge. I don't know. See, it's not really working. Like it's kind of broken, that one. Did you put? You didn't even put the battery.
I'm
on.
looking for the battery, idiot.
You don't know what you did with the battery? Just take my battery and charge it.
Shut your friggin' hole.
Shut your pie hole.
Shut that hole in your face.
There's plenty of room for more.
And there'll be one less on this boat. If you don't shut that hole in your face!
All friggin' batteries dead at one time, eh? Go figure.
It's the first time that's happened. Usually we get them good to go, but it's cause that one wasn't charging, right?
Yeah, we always have a spare. Slow as friggin' molasses. There. Don't! Oh my man. You're such a freak. Yeah, hold it right there.
See if we can't get 14 loose tracks in here.
Oh my man.
A little awkward with the left hand. Better than you with either hand.
You suck. Okay, don't. Not funny.
Off the top!
Not a funny joke.
Screw you, creepo! Alright, we're done. Somebody's asking about the boards. A couple people asked. There's them. So 1x8 by 8, and it's got right there shiplap, so that they match together. I think they're called Barn Board Knotty Pine at Home Depot. So that's them.
We're loving it. Anyway, we like the ceiling.
Yeah,
Looks
Love it.
really cool.
it's coming along nice. We got, I don't know, what, like 2/3 of it.
Probably we ran out of boards again, so
Mhm.
need money and need them to come up with new boards, better boards, because the
The
ones
biggest
that were
thing-
there were not very good.
Yeah, they just didn't have them. So this weekend we'll probably get them maybe Friday or something, as long as Home Depot's still open.
Oh yeah,
It's still open as of now around here.
I think so.
So we got like 2 days.
To wait, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it's coming along.
Yep.
We're gonna box in around that light. We're gonna go eat.
Yeah. Have a coffee.
I'm starving.
Yeah.
See you later.
Bye.
Boop.